Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of Around the World.
In the historic streets of Paris, the echo of a new revolution could be heard. But this time it was not a political movement, but rather a revolution in artificial intelligence. Imagine a world where your AI health assistant detects a disease before the doctor, a court where the judge is not a human but an AI-enabled system delivering swift and impartial justice, or an education system where each student is taught according to their individual needs. Date 11 February 2025, location Paris. The world's most powerful leaders, technical experts, and policymakers gathered on a single platform. The occasion was the AI Action Summit 2025. The question was not just about what AI can do, but about how far we should allow AI to go. At this historic summit, from Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and French President Emmanuel Macron to Google's Sundar Pichai and OpenAI's Sam Altman, all eyes were focused on one direction: the future of AI, its impact, and its responsible use. So let's explore in this episode the key takeaways from Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to France and the Paris AI Summit 2025, the impact of which will be felt for decades to come. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi is currently on a two-nation visit. During the first leg, he arrived in France where French President Emmanuel Macron warmly welcomed him. This visit is significant for India because India had the opportunity to co-chair the crucial AI Action Summit, an event with a major focus on the future of AI, where India, being one of the world's leading economies, played a pivotal role. At the summit, leaders, experts, CEOs, and other key representatives from across the globe came together. The main aim of the summit was to discuss the future of artificial intelligence, especially regarding its use and implications. The summit specifically focused on the global governance of AI, its impacts, and its inclusive and ethical use. During the summit, Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his opening speech described AI as the technological revolution of the future and highlighted the need for global cooperation in its application. He stated that the impact of AI is different from other technological changes, and global collaboration is necessary to ensure its correct implementation. He emphasized that in this era of AI, we must ensure that this technology benefits everyone, especially developing countries, so it can contribute to inclusive development. Prime Minister Modi also spoke about India's digital infrastructure, mentioning that India has developed an open and accessible digital public infrastructure for its 1.4 billion citizens. He referred to India's AI mission and stated that India is developing large language models of AI while embracing its cultural and linguistic diversity. It is noteworthy that India AI mission, a 10,371 crore rupees initiative, aims to promote AI innovation, research, and the responsible adoption of AI across various sectors. In fact, the Paris AI Summit is built on previous global efforts like the UK Summit or the Bletchley Park Declaration and the South Korea Summit or the Seoul Declaration to further responsible AI governance. Additionally, during the summit, it was announced that India would host the next AI Action Summit. This announcement is a significant step for India as it places the country in a leading role in global AI discussions. The summit is an important platform to facilitate global consensus on the responsible use of AI. Issues such as security and inclusivity were discussed, ensuring that this technology can be used for the benefit of everyone. At the AI Action Summit 2025, India showed the world that when technological perspectives and humanity walk hand in hand, the impossible becomes possible. Just as a lamp of fire lights up the darkness, AI's step forward will illuminate the future. From Paris to India, this summit stands as a symbol of a historic moment that promises not only to transform the technological world, but also to show the way to enrich every segment of our society. So viewers, we conclude the discussion here and note today's question. Assess the role of international cooperation in AI governance, especially in the context of India's participation in the AI Action Summit 2025. That's all for today's session. See you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.